Are you looking for the best bow saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bow saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Agawa Boreal 21 greater than 21-inch folding bow saw. The Agawa Canyon Boreal 21 is a revolutionary piece that pools durability, flexibility, and compact size in one package. If you are headed to the bush and want a saw that will deliver high-performance cuts, this is the piece to buy. It will help you to effortlessly clear the paths, cut logs, and enjoy every moment in the woods. It has a 21-inch steel blade that makes cutting big logs or felling small trees easy and fun. Further, we found the saw's trapezoidal shape with 3 hinges ideal for diameter cuts. Another selling point of the Agawa Canyon Boreal 21 is its unique folding design. When you unpack the saw, it automatically snaps into position to give you a firm hand saw in seconds. This design makes the saw very effective for any sort of bushcraft, from camping to trekking. Taking a closer look at the saw, we found that it has a carefully designed blade with rust-free coating and aggressively angled teeth. When it comes to bushcraft, this saw has no rival. The only issue we found with this bow saw is that with prolonged use, it starts feeling a little uncomfortable. Up next in the 4th place is the Fiskars 7029 bow saw. Mention the brand Fiskars and it will send construction people, handymen, and bushcraft enthusiasts into a frenzy. The company is built on the pillar of total quality, as demonstrated in this Fiskars 7029 bow saw. Even with its top-rated features, the bow saw is very cheap. The main selling point of the 7029 bow saw is its sturdy construction that makes it a firm tool to work with even on tough tasks. The frame is made using durable steel and the blade with precision ground steel that makes ripping through any type of material such as wood easy. Further, the blade has an anti-rust coating to make it last longer. Another selling point of this bow saw is its versatile tensioning system. The tensioning knob doubles as a handle so that you are assured of a tight blade when cutting green branches or dry wood. Further, changing the blade is also simple and fast. Well, these features are cool and can no doubt qualify this saw for a higher price tag. The main shortcoming of this saw is that it is big and will not easily fit in a backpack. If you put it together with other tools, the blade can easily scratch them. The 3rd product on our list is the Bako 102151 21-inch Ergo Bow Saw. The Bako 102151 21-inch Ergo is our overall best bow saw, not just because of its unique design that makes it easily slice your materials, but also its durability. Because the bow saw is designed for cutting both wood and lumber, it has become a must-have in every construction site and DIY people's homes. The main selling point of the Bako 102151 21-inch Ergo Bow Saw is the rugged construction that makes it robust and, therefore, ideal for demanding applications. It is constructed with high-quality steel tubing, which is light but firm to use. We found it very easy to carry around and deploy to make straight cuts. Bako employed a special high-tensioning system that makes replacing the blade easy. Further, the bow saw's handle is designed with a handguard that helps to keep your hand safe even when working on tough applications. Another premium attribute we liked about this saw is the protection from rust and corrosion. The frame has a high-impact orange enamel coat that does not easily come out. The orange color also makes it easy to spot the bow saw if it falls on green matter. Well, it is hard to find flaws with this bow saw. The only challenge we found with the piece is that it is large, and fitting in a backpack was a challenge. We had to disassemble the saw to easily carry it to the working site. Second on our list is the Gerber Freescape Camp Saw. The Gerber Freescape bow saw is a unique piece designed for hikers and campers. Its compact design makes it easy to place in a backpack and carry with ease. The main selling point of this saw is its unique folding mechanism. While the bow saw opens to support a standard blade, it easily folds into a compact piece that you can carry on the backpack or sling on the shoulder. You do not need to dismember it to fold. Another feature that makes this bow saw a great piece for camping is its exceptional cutting edge. The blade is made of hardened steel that strikingly holds the edge for a long time, even after cutting tough wood. Well, sharpen the blade once, and you can use it for the entire camping period without resharpening. Finally, the top product on our list is the Trooper 30255 steel handle bow saw. If you are looking for an affordable bow saw that is designed with quality in mind, the Trooper 30255 is one piece that will not disappoint. It is solidly constructed and features a pointed nose that makes it a perfect option for both bushcraft and DIY tasks around the home. One of the main selling points of the saw is its simple and straightforward tensioning system. Using the lift cam lever, you can remove the old blade, insert a new one, and tighten firmly in no time. We like this design because you do not waste time, especially when working on demanding tasks. To give users more choices, the Trooper 30255 steel handle bow saw comes in 3 different models based on frame length: 21 inches, 23 inches, and 30 inches. If you want to use the bow saw for heavy-duty operations such as cutting tough branches or wood, go for the 30 inches model. If you need something while traveling, then the best folding saw is a perfect choice. To deliver greater value, Trooper did not spare any effort when designing this saw. It has an all-metal frame constructed to last for years. Well, if the blade is used up or damaged, simply fit another one to make the saw rip those tough branches just like when it was new. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.